How to find a job with no experience. Starting your career without prior work experience can feel challenging, but many employers are open to hiring freshers who show potential, skills, and the right attitude. With careful preparation and persistence, you can successfully land your first role. Here's an expanded guide with more points to help you stand out. 1. Define your career goals. Entry-level industries, retail, customer service, IT support, education, healthcare assistance, logistics, and creative fields. Work style preference. Decide if you want office-based, field work, or remote opportunities. Growth mindset. Choose roles that offer training and career progression. Future vision. Think about whether you want to specialize in one industry or gain transferable skills. 2. Highlight education and transferable skills. Academic background. Showcase your degree, certifications, or relevant coursework. University projects. Group assignments, research, or presentations demonstrate teamwork and problem solving. Soft skills. Communication, adaptability, leadership, and time management. Extracurricular activities. Sports, clubs, or student organizations show initiative and teamwork. Transferable skills. Skills from volunteering, part-time jobs, or personal projects can be applied to professional roles. 3. Build a strong resume and online profile. Resume essentials. Focus on education, skills, and projects rather than work history. Cover letter. Explain your motivation and eagerness to learn. Online presence. Create a LinkedIn profile and join industry-specific groups. Portfolio. For creative or tech roles, showcase projects on GitHub, Behance, or a personal website. ATS-friendly formatting. Use keywords from job descriptions to pass applicant tracking systems. 4. Use job portals and entry-level listings. Popular platforms: LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, BD Jobs, and specialized sites for internships. Entry-level filters. Search specifically for junior, trainee, or internship roles. Job alerts. Automate notifications to catch new postings quickly. Company websites. Many organizations post openings directly on their career pages. 5. Leverage networking and referrals. Connections. Reach out to professors, alumni, and family friends. Events. Attend career fairs, workshops, and webinars. Social media. Engage with professional communities on LinkedIn and Twitter or X. Referrals. Many companies hire freshers through employee recommendations. Informational interviews. Ask professionals for advice and insights about their career paths. 6. Gain experience through alternatives. Internships. Even unpaid internships provide valuable exposure. Volunteering. Nonprofits and community projects help build skills and credibility. Freelancing. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr allow you to build a portfolio. Part-time jobs. Customer service or tutoring roles develop transferable skills. Personal projects. Start a blog, code a small app, or design a portfolio to showcase initiative. 7. Upskill continuously. Technical skills. Learn MS Office, data analysis, or basic coding. Languages. English proficiency is essential. Additional languages add value. Short courses. Use Coursera, Udemy, or LinkedIn Learning for certifications. Soft skills training. Public speaking, teamwork, and problem-solving workshops. Industry-specific skills. For example, digital marketing, graphic design, or customer relationship management tools. 8. Apply strategically. Tailored applications. Customize your resume and cover letter for each role. Highlight potential. emphasize eagerness to learn and grow. Track progress. Keep a record of applications and deadlines. Follow up. Send polite emails after interviews or applications. Start small. Apply for internships, trainee programs, or assistant roles to build experience. 9. Prepare for interviews. Virtual readiness. Be comfortable with Zoom, Teams, or Google Meet. Company research. Learn about the organization's mission and values. Confidence. Show enthusiasm and willingness to learn. Body language. Maintain eye contact, smile, and sit upright. Practice common questions. Tell me about yourself. Why should we hire you without experience? What are your strengths and weaknesses? 10. Stay positive and patient. Timeline. Finding your first job may take weeks or months. Mindset. Treat rejections as learning opportunities. Routine. Dedicate daily time to job search activities. Persistence. Keep applying and improving your skills. Celebrate small wins. Even interviews or callbacks are progress. Finding a job without experience takes creativity and persistence. Focus on transferable skills and craft a strong resume with an online presence. Network actively while gaining experience through internships or volunteering. With patience and determination, you can successfully launch your career.